my loves, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Today I will be talking about few of my favorite products that I have been loving. I want to say last month मैंने favorites video नहीं की थी. So this is going to be like a combination of last month, this month products that I'm currently loving. Okay, all products that I've loved for a really long time but मैंने share नहीं किया है. तो वो सारा मैं cover करूँगी आज की video में. बाय द वे ये सारे प्रोडक्ट अमेजोन पे मिल जाएगी, वहाँ पे उनकी चल रही है अल्टीमेट ब्रांड सेल। तो 16 अगस्त से 20 अगस्त तक ये सेल चल रही है। आपको अपने 70% ऑफ मिल जाएगा ऑन फैशन एंड ब्यूटी। तो चलो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो। Guys, today is a really gloomy day and I'm just filming with my ring light. मेरी दूसरी लाइट टूट चुकी है तो वो नई लाइट अभी तक आई नहीं है, तो प्लीज एक्सक्यूज द वीडियो क्वालिटी। बट नाउ लेट्स जस्ट गेट इनटू द प्रोडक्ट्स। The first product is this product over here. I've been loving this product. ये है from the brand Neutrogena. इसकी cap as always missing है. Okay, this is their Ultra Sheer Body Mist. This is a broad spectrum SPF. This is SPF 70, you guys. What I really like about this is कि सबसे पहले तो ये oxybenzone free है, which is great. ये water resistant है and इसका ये aerosol type of spray आ जाता है. You see that? ये थोड़ा सा ऑयली ग्लोई टाइप का टेक्सचर देता है, विच इफ यू अप्लाई दिस ऑन योर बॉडी इट्स जस्ट सो गुड. दिस इज ग्रेट फॉर ऑन द गो एंड इफ यू वांट दैट शाइनी थिंग बट एट द सेम टाइम प्रोटेक्शन भी चाहिए, दिस इज ग्रेट. इसका प्राइस ऑलमोस्ट 1300-1400 रुपीज है, सो थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है फॉर व्हाट इट इज, बट ओ माय गॉड, आउट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ द SPF स्प्रेज दिस इज फेनोमिनल बिकॉज ये एरोसोल टाइप का है. बट इफ यू डोंट हैव द बजट फॉर इट, आई ऑल्सो हैव एन अफोर्डेबल वर्जन. ओके, बिकॉज आई नो 1500, not everybody wants to spend that much money on a body SPF sort of a thing. So this one is really good. This so you can apply on top of your makeup also. Okay, ये है Derma का new launch. I actually worked with them on a campaign over on my Instagram. तो वहाँ से I got introduced to this product. Okay, really like this product. ये है उनका 1% Hyaluronic Quick Absorbing Sunscreen Spray. इसमें विटामिन E है, Hyaluronic Acid है, ये SPF 50 आ जाता है उनसे से. Yes, ये SPF 50 है और इसमें PA4+ है. ओके, इट कम्स इन अ स्प्रे बॉटल. तो ये स्प्रे था, वो एरोसोल ही बोलते हैं, थिंक सो, वो दूसरे का था. स्प्रे दिस, ये पूरा आपका ऐसे प्रोडक्ट बाहर निकल के आता है. माइट लुक वेरी स्केरी बट दिस ब्लेंड्स आपकी स्किन में effortlessly. Like, do you see that? Literally no effort, with light gentle hands this will absorb beautifully on your skin. This is great for on top of makeup also. This, you guys, does not feel heavy on the skin at all. It's extremely lightweight. Of course, there's no white cast and it gives you sort of like a nice glow also. आपको मिल जाता है 100 grams for around $500. If you're looking for good spray wali SPFs, these two were my recent discoveries and I've been loving these two. Skin care category में ही है, तो let me share with you all two serums that I love and would recommend. Okay, तो सबसे पहले I want to recommend this Raska serum. Okay, this is their Radiance serum. This is great. इसमें 24 कैरेट गोल्ड तो है ही, बट उसके अलावा इसमें मंजिष्ठा भी है, इसमें हाइलोरॉनिक एसिड भी है. तो ये किसके लिए आई वुड रिकमेंड? इफ यू फील दैट योर स्किन हैज गॉन वेरी डल एंड ऐसे लाइक ग्लो नहीं आता है, डेफिनेटली यू शुड लुक इनटू दिस. इट गिव्स यू दैट प्लम्पर लुकिंग स्किन. आपकी स्किन को ये हाइड्रेट अंदर से करता है, तो थोड़ा सा स्किन ज़्यादा प्लम्प और बाउंसी लगती है. सो या बिन रियली लविंग इट. इस प्रोडक्ट की पैकेजिंग इज ब्यूटीफुल. इस प्रोडक्ट की फ्रेग्रेंस बहुत ही आयुर्वेदिक एंड प्यारी सी, एंड लगता है कि कुछ बहुत अच्छा सा लाइक स्किन पे लगा रहे हो. ओके, दिस इज हाउ दिस प्रोडक्ट लुक्स लाइक and it blends up your skin में within no time. If you just want a no fuss skincare routine जहाँ पे you wake up, wash your face, apply this. Okay, उसके बाद you can apply your moisturizer, SPF, and you're good to go. You don't want a lot of products. This is just something which Ross has done an incredible job with. और serum जो मैं use कर रही हूँ religiously is the Foxtale one. Okay, I've talked about this product time and again and there's a reason for it. For the price, like I really love the Claire's का serum. Okay, it's a beautiful product, but for the price, if you don't want to spend a lot of money, around 400-500 का ये है. This is such a beautiful product. अगर आपको ये ट्राई करना है प्रोडक्ट, तो इसका 10 ग्राम भी अब अवेलेबल है फॉर 212 रुपीज़, बट 30 ml इज़ फॉर 476 रुपीज़ आफ्टर डिस्काउंट. Would highly recommend you all to at least try it once. If you have not tried vitamin C, if you don't want to spend so much on a vitamin C, this one is really good. It comes in this airless tube. okay, and you just pump out the product like this. The product looks something like this. It's like a serum, and again within no time it blends into your skin. The next product मैंने इसके बारे में already बात कर ली है, तो I'm going to whiz through this product. वो है CeraVe का moisturizing lotion. CeraVe launched in India last year or this year, I don't remember, but they have two variants. Okay, they have one for extremely dry skin, so it's like dry to very dry skin, and then they have this which is for dry skin. I've been loving this product, been using this at night every single day. I love how simple it is. It has no fuss, okay, it has no fragrance in it, which is a thumbs up, and I love the packaging. This is 236 ml and actually 1000 something का है, but ये 3 to 500 से start हो जाता है. Links will be in the description box, वो check out कर लेना. So इसमें एक thick variant आता है. I think so that would be nice for the winter time for dry skin girlies, but if you have normal skin, this would be great. Okay, let me just show you. So this is how this product looks like. Again, it's very hydrating, very moisturizing. We have those moisturizers ना जो ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है जिनमें. This is one of those. This on your body and your body will thank you. So okay, again कोई fragrance नहीं है तो body के लिए this is great. Ceramides इसमें है तो will keep your skin really supple and nice. So yeah. हम बॉडी के टॉपिक पे है, सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस स्क्रब ओवर हियर. दिस इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड किमिरिका एंड मेरा ना एक्चुअली ये फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट है दैट आई ट्राइड फ्रॉम द ब्रांड. Love it. You can clearly see how much I've used this product. It's a bomb scrub. Okay, I really love the Dove का scrub. Caffeine का भी जो वो regular coffee bean वाला था, I've loved that also for a really long time. But जब से मैंने ये किया है ना use, I'm like I really like it. Made up of rice bran, blend of green tea, rosemary extract. So basically this is like a rice powder का body scrub. This is great for like a nice scrub. Your body feels so soft after using this. So this is how the product looks like. एंड लाइक आई सेड ये आपका राइस पाउडर का बना होता है तो इसमें हल्के हल्के ग्रेन्स सब जगह आपको मिल जाएंगे. ओके, आई डोंट नो हाउ वेल कैन यू सी ऑन कैमरा, इसमें ग्रेन्स आपको दिख रहे हैं कि नहीं दिख रहे हैं. आई एम यूजिंग इट, आई एम लाइक वाओ, it is actually scrubbing your skin so nicely. If you have tried this brand, let me know in the comments below. I really am interested in trying out their body washes, but this body scrub gets a thumbs up from my end. Let's move on to hair care, and I have two of my favorite products. I don't know whether I've mentioned them before or not. सबसे पहले आ गया ये shampoo. This is the Olaplex shampoo. Olaplex now ये थोड़ा सा expensive shampoo है, but I have been loving this product. Okay, Olaplex is a hit or a miss. Some people really seem to like it, and some people don't really like it. Now let me tell you, if you don't really have a lot of hair issues, if you don't have a lot of breakage, if you don't have a lot of hair damage, if you don't have a lot of split ends ka issue, I would say ki you might not really like how this feels on your skin. So normal shampoo for you will also work because you have naturally gorgeous hair. But if you have issues with your hair, जैसे मेरा मेन कंसर्न आई डोंट थिंक सो हेयर फॉल है, इट इज़ ब्रेकेज. ओके, कईयों का स्प्लिटेंस रहता है, फ्रिजीनेस इज ऑल्सो अ ह्यूज थिंग. तो उन सब के लिए ना दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ रियली गुड. आई शो दिस इन माई बर्थडे सीरीज एक्चुअली. तो मैंने ये दिसंबर के अराउंड लिया था एंड मेरा शैम्पू ये अभी तक यहाँ तक मैंने यूज़ किया ना. आई यूज दिस एवरी सिंगल टाइम आई वॉश माई हेयर. सो ऑलमोस्ट आपको ये 6 to 10 months के बीच डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर हेयर लेंथ एंड कितना आप शैम्पू यूज़ करते हो एंड कितने टाइम वॉश करते हो ये चलेगा. बट 6 months तो ये आराम से चलेगा. सो द प्राइस आई स्टिल गेट इट. ओके, दिस इज देयर बॉन्ड मेंटेनेंस शैम्पू. सो इट बेसिकली सेज दिस इज ग्रेट टू स्ट्रेंथन योर हेयर एंड टू रिपेयर योर हेयर. You get to 50 ml of product in here. Really love this product, so I had to give this shampoo a shout out in this video. By the way, अगर आपने मेरी hair care video नहीं देखी है, I will leave a link to that over here. You can go watch that video over here. Beautiful stunning video में सब कुछ डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश की in that video, right from oiling to the types of oil that you use to like post hair wash routine. So मैंने सब कुछ इसमें in detail बताया. That video is over here, you can go watch it. The budget for it, definitely look into Olaplex, but only look into it and only buy this अगर आपका ये issues है जो मैंने mention किए. Otherwise I feel कि it'll be like a wastage of money. So only if you have ये concerns then you can try this shampoo. Last product that I have to share with you all is this product over here. This is from the brand Anomaly and ये प्रियंका चोपड़ा का brand है. Okay, this launched in India I want to say 1-2 साल पहले. This basically over here is a leave-in conditioner. Now leave-in conditioner I never really thought कि I need a leave-in conditioner, but मैंने last year से start किया है use करना, and I've seen a difference in my hair. Now, leave-in conditioner ideally everybody should use. The reason that I'm mentioning this product right now is that we are in monsoon. सभी का दिक्कत right now is frizz. Okay, everybody is complaining about how frizzy their hair is, and right now we really need to make sure that we take extra care of our hair. And उसमें leave-in conditioner plays a huge part. So how what you do is you wash your hair, उसके बाद you can use a mask as a deep conditioning treatment or just a conditioner. Once you're done with that, you come out of the shower, towel में थोड़ा सा अपना बाल रख लिया अपने थोड़ी देर के लिए, and उसके बाद on like semi wet hair you apply this. Okay, this is a leave-in conditioner. इसमें ना leave-in conditioner बहुत तरह का आता है, spray format में भी आता है. This is like a cream sort of a thing, so it hydrates and protects your hair. I like to use this product यहाँ से नीचे, and अच्छे से I like to coat my hair, and my hair honestly have not been this frizzy this monsoons. Otherwise my hair has always been a mess. I think so यहाँ वाले बाल जो frizzy रहते हैं ना वो breakage की वजह से या new growth की वजह से जो tiny hair है वो उनकी अपनी ही दिशा है, but apart from that they've not been super frizzy. So if you really want to hydrate and protect your hair, definitely look into leave-in conditioner, and this is decent. It has a blend of avocado and murmuru butter, which is great to hydrate your hair but also give some shine to your hair. So yeah, overall been really loving this product. With that, you guys, we've come to the end of this video. I really hope that you got some recommendations if you're looking out for some products. As always, सबकी links आपको description box में मिल जाएगी. Make sure you check it out. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.